Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to make some homemade chemical peels using your household items. These can be very beneficial for your skin.
They can provide deep exfoliation, help reduce the depth of wrinkles and acne scarring, and brighten your skin.
And most importantly, they can enhance the absorption of all of your other skincare ingredients.
So this egg white wrinkle peel is really easy to make. All you need is one egg white, half a cup of de-seeded cucumber pulp, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. The egg whites naturally smooth the wrinkles, and the cucumbers moisturize the skin. A little bit of lemon juice is your acid. You can also add citrus juice or berry extracts to your peel that will provide a natural antioxidant boost.
A key ingredient in homemade peels is glycolic acid. It can be found in cane sugar, sour cream, yogurt, vinegar, apples, blackberries, lemons, limes, grapefruits. So it's really easy to incorporate it in any of your at-home peels.
This is a AHA pill for dry skin, and we're going to put in 1/4 a cup of white cane sugar and 1/4 a cup of Greek yogurt. Mix everything till you have a nice runny consistency. And before I put on this peel, I'm actually going to wash my face off. I was wearing makeup earlier. Sorry about that. You guys want to make sure that your face is clean when you guys are putting on these masks. So this homemade glycolic peel is great for dry skin because not only is it exfoliating from the sugar, it's also getting exfoliation from the lactic acid, and the Greek yogurt helps with hydration.
Another at-home DIY chemical peel that we found consists of apple cider vinegar and applesauce. In order to make this peel, you take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of applesauce, and you mix it together. Apple cider vinegar is a natural way to diminish acne scarring and helps regenerate the top layer of your skin. Apples carry vitamin C, which helps with redness, hyperpigmentation, and scarring. You want to focus the mask mainly on the parts of your face that have acne scarring, blemishes, discoloration, etc. After leaving the peel on for about 10 minutes, you want to wash it off and reapply it at least 2 to 3 times a week to notice any results.
Peels exfoliate dead skin cells so the top dermal layers peel off. You can also use them to clean your pores and moisturize your skin. I would recommend to use these masks with others since there's a lot of excess product and the mask itself can be pretty messy. We can all agree that this is a very affordable at-home option. Just remember, results may vary.
And we also recommend, if you are doing this, the ingredients aren't going to be as potent, so you will need to do them more often, like 1 to 2 times a week, and always wear sunscreen.